Hi, my name is Laura Staley. I'm a software trainer, and I am doing a series of videos on Excel, how to use it, and hopefully how to make it easier for you to use the functionality. Today, I want to cover how to start a new file. Now, I already did a video using the file that is on the screen, showing you how to enter data into a blank Excel file. And I will link that video down below if you want to go back and watch that. One of my core beliefs about Excel, though, is that if you can get Excel to do some of the work for you, then so much the better. Because why should you reinvent the wheel if you don't have to? And one of the ways that I have found that Excel can really help is when I am starting a new file, they have all kinds of templates that already have the formatting done that I can go in and all I have to do is enter the information, and I may do some reformatting, but I found it's a whole lot easier to edit a file than to face a blank page with nothing done. So let me show you how to do that. So I'm going to ignore what's here and I'm going to go up to the ribbon and go to File, way over on the left here, and that's going to take me to the backstage area. And then I'm going to go to New. Now, if I wanted to open a new blank spreadsheet, all I would have to do is click on this blank workbook, and there's my blank Excel file that I could start typing data in like I did in the other video. However, I want to take a shortcut. So I'm going to go back to File, and this time when I go to New, notice that here, if I scroll down here on the right-hand side, there are all these templates that are built into Excel that I can use. So all I have to do is find the Excel template that looks good to me, and then I can open it and start typing. Now, there's Excel has hundreds of templates. So I find it is easiest to come up here to this bar here at the top and type in what I'm looking for. So let's say I'm looking to track my subscription expenses. The world is going to subscription. So you pay monthly for streaming services and for shopping clubs and for tools on the internet and all kinds of things. So I want to track that these days. So if I type in tracker and hit enter, then it's going to show me all of the templates that match that keyword of tracker. And notice there's some business oriented ones like this job candidates tracker, sales forecast tracker. There's some personal ones like the credit card tracker, my investment tracker, and so on and so forth. But all of a sudden I realize I'm going to have to look and look and look, and I may not find what I'm looking for. So this time I'm going to come up here and be a little more specific and type in subscription tracker. And it's going to search through all those templates, and then it's going to return one. So I now notice beforehand I looked this up, so I knew it existed. So you don't always get that lucky on the first try. But since there are thousands of trackers, you may. And the thing I found it's easiest is to keep it simple. Follow the KISS principle. So if I hadn't done this beforehand, I would have just typed in subscription to see what might come up. So I'm going to click on this. It's going to say downloading your template, and there it is. And so it doesn't really have much data in it. But for example, let's see. Once it's in front of me, then all I have to do is replace my data with their data. So for example, let's say I have YouTube TV, and I pay that on 7/1/2019, and the amount is $40, and that's 1 month, and it expires on 7/1/2020, and renewal method, website that's fine, and 7/1/2020, and I really like this service. So then I hit enter and I type in the next one, which is Hulu, and so on and so forth. So basically I'm just typing in my information to replace what's already there. Now, if they don't have enough lines, if I get down here to the end and I hit tab and I type in, I don't know, swimming pool. I have a subscription to my swimming pool. And 8/15/2019, $50, 3 months, and 9/1/2019, and credit card, and next year, and this is the end of the season. Then you can see it goes ahead and adds more lines. So it doesn't matter if you just have a few lines, it will continue to expand it for you. So I hope this helps you get started in finding new files that will save you time in formatting and figuring out the data that you need, and let you just replace the data over that. So look below for the blog post that will lay out some of this information on exactly what I did, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.